Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about the most profitable strategy in Forex that I found, and I'm using the strategy for now more than 2 years myself. And believe it or not, it's working whenever what is it called? Whenever I use it, and it never disappointed me until now. And the good thing about this strategy is that it works in 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, weekly, and monthly. So all of the time frame except 5 minutes and 1 minute. I mean, you can use it in 5 minute time frame, but I don't recommend it. I recommend from 15 minutes till monthly. And also another thing about this strategy is that this strategy is only for major pairs, not for other pairs like these. This strategy is not for these pairs. It's only for major and famous pairs. So, before I go and talk about this strategy, guys, please subscribe to my channel so I can help you guys to get more strategies, profitable strategies, and I help you guys uh, to teach you guys about the strategies of forex market, which is very easy. To be honest, it's very easy to learn, but it's just that if you guys listen carefully to me when I explain the strategy and do the steps one by one, trust me, I guarantee that this is the most profitable strategy that's there between all the strategies. Because this strategy is the one that all like 95% of traders in forex market, they use these, and that's why it always works. Whenever you try it, it always works. There are many opportunities with this strategy that it helps you to open the buy order or sell order with the help of support and resistance line. So for those who doesn't know what is support and resistance line, I'm going to explain it right now. Uh, Before I do that, I just wanted to say that this strategy is very simple, and and we don't need any indicators. We don't need RSI for this. This is just for the design. I'm not gonna use this at all for this strategy. We don't need moving averages. We don't need any of these indicators. None of them. None of these. We don't need SAR. We don't need moving averages. We don't need any of this. All we need is two lines, support and resistance lines. So what is support and resistance line, guys? Let me explain it to you here. So when you look at the market is something like goes up and then down here and then up, sometimes down, then down again, up. The market it looks something like this. Sorry for my drawing, I'm really bad at drawing, I know. But guys, support and resistance line, it helps us to see the opportunities in the market and open a buy or sell order. Now, what is support line? Support line is always the down one. So let's say if this is the market, this is the movement of market. This line here that connects all these points, this is called support line. Let me just write it here for you guys. The one below is support line. Okay. The one above is resistance line. I don't know the what is it called, the, the exact uh, spelling, but anyway, you guys will get it yourself. Anyway, so if this is the support line, the resistance line will be somewhere here. So let me draw the resistance line for, but it should be a straight line. Well, I can't do the straight line now here, but this should be straight line. Imagine this is the straight line. So how does the support line show us the opportunity to buy, to open a buy order? Okay, so we know that the support line is the line that the market can't, it's kind of hard for the market to go to break the support line and go down. So for example, here that I draw it hits the support line and it goes up. Again, it hits the support line here and it goes up. So it is kind of, it's sometimes it's hard for the market to break the support line, and that gives us the opportunity to open a buy order exactly when it hits the support line, which is here. So support is a buy order for us, because when it hits the support line, we know that it's gonna go up. Now let's talk about the resistance line. The resistance line is exactly opposite of the support line. When the market hits the resistance line, we know that it's gonna come down. So the market, it's kind of hard for the market to break the resistance and support line. So for example here, when it hits it, here we have to open a sell order, because this is gonna come down when it hits the resistance line. This is the resistance line. When it hits it, it's gonna come down. Again, when it hits it, it's gonna come down. Here also, it's gonna come down. So, guys, support is for buy order and resistance is for sell order. Now let's go to the market. Now that we know what is support and what is resistance line, let's go to the market, guys. Let me show you. Okay, perfect. Look at here. As you can see, guys, we have the market is going up here, and then suddenly it comes down. It comes down and it started going up again. So it comes down till here and it goes up. What does this mean? This means that there is something in this rate here. So as soon as you see something like that, draw the line, draw the support line, because this will be a support line. Why? Because the market came down till here and it started going up. So when you draw the support line for this, it will be easy for you to understand that why this happened. Because when you draw it, you will go back and you will see that, okay, we have another one here too. Let me zoom for you guys. You see this candle, it hits the exact same level and it started going up. It started going up and here it came down. And guys, don't even think about the tail. Just skip the tail, ignore it. We only care about the candle. Look at the candle. It hit the support line and again it went up. This is where we have to open a buy order. When it hits the support line, we wait for this candle to finish. This is a 1 hour chart. So every candle has a 1 hour time. So after 1 hour, we will see that how this candle uh, looks like. And if it hits the support line, we're gonna open a buy order. If this candle is lower than the support line, which means that the market is breaking the support line, we're not gonna do anything with it. But if it's hitting the support line, that means that we have an opportunity for buy order, to open a buy order. And look what happened after that. The next candle started going up, 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 and the market is going up. Now let me tell you guys, for when you're opening a buy order here, we're opening a buy order here. Where should be our take profit? The take profit is always the nearest support or resistance. So as you can see here, the nearest support and resistance to this is this one. As you can see, the candle, it's going up, and after that it came down. So this shows us a resistance. This is the nearest resistance to this. So if we open a buy order here, our take profit will be somewhere here. But just to be safe, I will always put it not like exactly here. I will put it somewhere down here, just to be safe. And this will give you 66 pips. This is 1 hour chart, guys. This will give you 66 pips. Now let's move and see what happened after this. You see the market is going up. Okay, wait. We were here. It went up. Now we have to wait for market to come down and to hit our... Let me just delete these. Oh, sorry. Okay. So we have to wait for the market to hit our support line, so we have another opportunity for buy order. But guys, always put this in your mind that only the second attempt is the safest. So for what is the second attempt? As you can see here, we have the first attempt here. It already hits the support line. So this is our first attempt. This is our confirmation that, okay, there is a support line here. So what we're gonna do after we saw this, we're gonna wait for the market to hit this support line again. So we follow, and boom, here it hits the support line. This is our chance. This is our opportunity to open a buy order. Now let's see what happens. We have to wait for the market to hit the support line. Here, look at this, guys. Again, this is the third attempt. It hit the support line, and look, it went up again. And look, guys, I told you guys, when it hits, always the take profit should be the nearest the nearest support or resistance to the point, to this point. Now which one, if just look at this, which one is the nearest support or resistance to this? Maybe some of you will be like, this one, this is the resistance, or this is the support. But guys, if you just zoom here, you will see that exactly before it hits this, look at this candle. Before this, we have a resistance here. You see, this is the candle that it went up, and this is the candle that it came down. So we have something here. So our take profit should be here. We open a buy order here, and our take profit will be somewhere around here. And look, after 2 candles, it already hit our take profit, which will give us around 30 pips. But we're not gonna use this. We're not gonna go for the third attempt at all. We're gonna ignore the third attempt. The only attempt that we're going for is the second attempt of support line or resistance line. Okay guys, this was the support explanation. Now let's follow the same support line and see what happens to it. Guys, look, the fourth attempt to work too. But it's kind of risky. That's why I say I always go for the second attempt. This is the fourth attempt. Look at this candle. It hit the support line and again it went up. Until where? Look at this. Very nice. So what is the nearest support or resistance to this level? This is the support. This is the support. So it hits it and our take profit will be here. But anyway, I'm not gonna use this because this is the fourth attempt. It might not even reach our take profit. So this is very risky. I'm not gonna go for the fourth attempt at all. Look at the fifth attempt. There is a breakout for the fifth attempt. So this is a fail. This is a fail. That's why the safest is to go for the second attempt only, guys. Now look at what happened to our support line. Our old support line, it became the new resistant line. What was the resistant line, guys? I said it here. The resistant is above the market. So the market can't, it's kind of hard for the market to break the resistance and go up. So our old support line became the new resistant line. Now you can see here we have our first attempt. Our first attempt is this one, this candle. It hits our resistant line. So this is a confirmation that, okay, there is a resistant line here. So we wait for the second attempt. Sorry guys, I had to pause the recording. Something came up. Anyway, so as I was saying, this candle already hits the resistant line. This is our resistant line, which is the old support. It hits the resistant line and it started going down. This is our first attempt. We always wait for the second attempt. The first attempt is only confirmation. This is our confirmation that there is a resistance line. Now some of you might ask that is this the second attempt or not? Guys, here as you can see, this candle ended on this rate, but our resistance line is here. So there are 17 pips. You will waste 17 pips if you open your sell order here, because resistance line is for sell orders and support is for buy orders. Always remember this. So this is not the second attempt for us, guys. This is not the second attempt. We have to follow the market and wait for the market to hit the resistance line. It hit not here. It should hit the exact rate of resistance line. Now let's follow the market and see what happened to the market. Guys, look at here. Now here some of you will be confused. Here, this candle, let me zoom for you. Guys, now some of you might say that this is a breakout, so there is no second attempt. So what happened to the strategy? Guys, look at this one, this candle. Look what happened to it. It hits this resistant line and it comes down and it ends here. Okay, let me zoom one more time. Look at this candle. Look carefully, guys. Look at this. It hits this and it comes down and it ends here. So here, this will be our sell order. So we will open a sell order exactly here. So this candle, the next candle, look at it. Look at the tail. It came down till this rate. So what does this mean? This means that this is our second attempt. This candle is our second attempt. And this candle, it hit the resistant line and it already came down. Which means that it's already hit our take profit. So we are okay with it. We don't care what happened after that. There is a breakout here, of course. But we don't care about this anyway. We only care about when it hits our resistant line for the second attempt, which is this one. And look, guys, this will give you 30 pips. Exactly 30 pips. So this is the support and resistance strategy that I wanted to talk about it. This strategy is a very, very nice strategy, guys. I'm going to do a live trading with the strategy for you guys in my next videos. So please hit the subscribe button so you can be updated with my channel. And I might use other pairs like GBP USD or other pairs for this strategy, or another time frames. If you guys want, just comment below and request me, and I will do any time frame or any questions that you wanted to ask. And yeah, so this was our strategy, which helps a lot. But guys, please do the steps one by one. If you forget one of the steps, it might go, your trade might go on loss. For example, if you go on the third attempt might be a breakout, so you might lose the trade. So you should always go for the second attempt, and the first attempt is always for confirmation. You should never go for the first attempt. Guys, I hope you understand the strategy. If you have any other questions, please ask me in the comment below. And please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to upload more strategies with indicators, without indicators, and the most profitable strategies. I'm going to share it with you guys. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.